Oh, oh, seriously. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Oh, 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 oh. Man, what's wrong with you? Nothing wrong with you. Okay? My territory, my family. Stay back.
Dad, what in the world are you doing?
Huh? Oh, daughter.
You know that Storm Pack does not kill other wolves unless necessary. Just because he's trespassing does not mean you kill.
Sorry.
I know you may be leader, but you have to follow your own rules.
Ow, wow, that really hurt.
Oh, hey, are you okay?
Not really. A fox hit me in the leg, and this guy started what he's doing.
Oh, well, don't worry. Come with me. We have medicine wolves.
Oh.
You need help? You can't even stand?
Oh.
Hold on, lean on me. Let's go. Dad, you'll face a punishment for this.
Daughter.
What? What, Dad?
I want my 3D to be good stuff.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh. Sorry.
Whatever. Anyway. Oh, why, hello there, White Fur. What do you need from me? I have a wolf that was trespassing. My father was attempting to kill him. I think he needs some medical attention, and I think badly. Do you think you could handle it, Stonepaw? Of course I can handle it. Just let me see him.
Why are you so small?
Listen, I'm a miniature dog. It's a condition. Don't make fun of it. Anyway, I'm sure that a few brambles would be able to patch up those wounds. Just sit here. I'll go fetch some brambles.
Okay.
So what do you mean? You said it's a long story. Well, it's going to take a while for her to get some brambles, so I might as well. Listen.
There's no point to it.
Wait. What is this?
They attached a collar to me.
Are you some type of wolf pet?
I'm not a wolf pet. Long story. I just... Oh, it's so bad.
Tell me the story.
Okay. Well, I was in a zoo, and they put this on me. I don't know how it happened, but then my father died. He got shot, and then, it really hurts. And then my mom died from old age, and then me and my sister argued, and then we broke up, and then now we're here.
Well, Wolf Hollow isn't a place for a wolf that doesn't know how to hunt.
I know how to hunt, but it's really stressful when I'm really hurt.
Well, don't worry. She's going to go fetch some brambles.
Oh, thank you.
So, do you have any idea about the packs around in here in Wolf Hollow?
No.
Well, we are the Storm Pack. There are about, I think about 5 packs in this Wolf Hollow. We all battle for territory. So I guess that's probably why my dad thought you were probably from another pack.
Yeah, I'm brand new. Thank you for doing this.
It's fine. I mean, we're always ready to take in a new wolf. It's a Storm Pack.
really hurts. I should go to sleep, should I?
No, she's going to come back with the brambles. Might as well not. You're going to have to be awake.
Alright.
Anyway, so there is Storm Pack, River Pack, Thunder Pack, and the final pack is Star Pack. Star Pack is one of the strongest ones.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on, 1 second. Can you be quiet for a second? I'm going back to my memories. I
Huh?
was back a little kid.
What the? What do you
I don't know
know?
what pack I was in.
What?
Daddy? Yes, son? Where are you going? Sorry, son, I gotta leave. You stay home with your sister and your mother. Gotta go back to the Thunder Pack. Can you take up? Whoa!
What?
Whoa! Okay, I went back. I went back to my memories when I was a little kid.
What?
My dad. He was in the zoo with me,
Yeah, obviously.
and I asked him a question. I was like, Daddy? Daddy, where are you going? I was like, I'm going to the Thunder. I was like, and then he's like, you stay home with your sister and mom. And then he just burst out through the fence, and then boom, I was back.
So what are you trying to
right.
tell me? You belong to Thunder Pack?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, it's your choice. Because if you belong to Thunder Pack, we can kill you right now.
Why?
Because trespassers are normal. But people who do this type of stuff, we kill. So choose. Storm Pack or Thunder Pack? Which one? Answer me. What's going on here? I just got back with the bramble. What do you need from me? What's going on here? I heard a ton of screaming. I don't know. I think he fainted. Well, that means I need to get these brambles on him fast. There, that should cover the wound. He should be able to wake soon. But what was this all fuss about? What was all this screaming about? He said that his father belonged to Thunder Pack. Well, that doesn't mean he belongs to it. I know, but he thinks he does. And if he does, he needs to get out. True that. Well, I'm going to keep him here in the den, and you can go and tell your father. He will be able to answer this. And when he wakes up, we'll see what's going to happen. Okay, White Fur? Okay. Dad.
Yes.
I have news.
What?
His
About him.
Yes. White Claw has put brambles on his injuries. But he said that his father belonged to Thunder Pack.
What?
Exactly. I don't know what to do. He thinks he belongs in that. And if he does, we can get him out of here, Dad. Because a Thunder Pack warrior does not deserve to be in here.
Okay.
We'll see when he's woke up from his faint.
Oh, he's fainted? How?
Probably the blood loss.
Nah, it's true. Alright. Stay here on guard.
Okay.
I'll let you know if anything comes to me.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh, well, you're finally awake. Yeah, you are. Get up. You have the brambles on you. You're fine.
I know.
What's wrong with you? What's going on? Brace yourself.
Oh, I don't know.
Wait, stop it. Was this freaking you out?
Maybe.
Well, don't worry about them. The monsters made these. The things that kept you in the zoo, basically. Don't worry. They don't harm you. They just make loud noises.
I'm gonna go punch him.
You mean fight. Don't fight. Stop it. Just leave them, or else you're gonna get hurt.
Okay.
You already hurt enough. The brambles fell off. But it seems you have healed. Now, this is the most important thing. It means life or death for you. Which pack do you belong to? Thunder Pack or Storm Pack?
Wait. I misunderstood it. Misunderstood it. All this time, it was misunderstood.
What? What was misunderstood? Do not tell me anything.
No, wait.
What? Hold on.
Oh my god! I'm at the Storm Pack. I super remember. 100%.
How do you know? Okay, well, you kind of just started
I know what my dad's name is.
Interruption.
I know, I'm sorry. I know what my dad's name is. And how about you go talk to your dad and see if he had met him. Because he probably was on the Storm Pack too. So.
I'll go see. I have updating.
Oh, what's going on?
Did you ever know a wolf called Blacknose?
Yeah, I do.
Who is he?
He came every night. He came every night, and he said he escaped from a zoo, I think. So.
But he especially remembered him saying he was going to Thunder Pack.
I don't know, but I definitely know that guy. He was definitely in our pack. I remember it.
Maybe he was in both of our packs. Either way, that's a bad thing. Because he was probably in both packs, and that could have ended badly. Thank God that the monster shot him before bad things started to happen.
Yeah, he was with our pack, and then there was he got shot because he was the one that didn't know what to do because he was just started. So.
Okay, so he now is officially a Storm Pack wolf. I bet he'll be a full-fledged fighter soon. He's healed. We need a wolf. Wait, I need you to do something, Father.
What?
You need to teach this wolf how to hunt. He has no idea how.
Okay. I think I can work on that.
And just teach him the basics of the wild. He has no idea what's going on. He's been in a zoo, you know.
Yeah, because his dad was in a zoo. Yep. What's that?
I don't know. Come on, let's get back in the